clarification. Like there are some events, only 2 or 3 events when I saw it is showing that report submitted. So the
Yeah.
others we need to do it as early as possible, ma'am. And they are
Yeah.
considering only the events that are considered, sorry,
Mm.
conducted before 31st January. Only
Oh, we have to do it very quickly.
yes, ma'am. Uploading only they have given till February 10, but
Okay.
they are considering the events for this quarterly 1 and 2 till 31st January. So this also I want to
Okay.
specify. And one more request from my side, ma'am.
Mm.
I request one staff from first year BTech to be inducted as member in IIC so that the person can coordinate with AKC, Dr. Arun and Rizwan for the uploading of events
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. I think that's a very good suggestion. So please suggest a suitable person.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think we will this maybe this person we will have to train into doing this uploading.
Yes, ma'am.
So right now we have Yogesh who can help because last year he was helping Bhuvna.
Okay.
So we can take the help of Yogesh, but somebody has to give all of these documents to him.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the documentation side is a big
Mhm.
concern for us, ma'am.
Yeah.
All are completed, like that NISP is completed, Dr. Kirti
Mm.
is completed,
Mm.
and also that is the meetings that we have organized. It
Mm.
is good that if we have minutes of the meeting for each
Correct.
and every meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's a part we have to concentrate more, ma'am.
Correct.
Yeah.
But even all of these meeting minutes, we need to have it all at a common place, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm not very sure what the solution is because usually it is recommended that we have a every university have their own IIC web page
Yes, ma'am.
where all these meetings can be uploaded. But
Okay.
our university, we don't have the habit of uh, putting meeting minutes there
Okay.
in the website. So I
Ma'am,
have to,
currently, maybe probably each and everybody can share it to me, so I can maintain it in a folder, and
yeah,
I have a file and I can maintain, ma'am.
correct, correct.
Currently, we can go with that, and probably later on we can find a suitable solution for it, ma'am.
Yeah, so right now this reporting, I think we need to work on this. So I think
Yes, ma'am.
I will. I think Arun only has to coordinate with this initially, and then you can take it up
Okay.
because Arun and Yogesh know how it was done, and they know all the nitty gritties. So the person that you assign, no, maybe they can come here,
Yeah.
sit with Arun, and make all these phone calls, get the reports, and upload.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I will allot, ma'am.
Yeah, so I think we have to do it very quickly. Tomorrow Saturday, though the college has said holiday, we have to work and upload it.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah, so Yogesh usually comes to the university on Saturdays. So நீங்க யாரை assign பண்ண போறீங்க இதுக்கு?
Ma'am, at present I'm thinking of Aparna from chemistry, ma'am.
Okay, I think that she is good. I think she will
Yeah,
be able
yeah.
to do.
Probably she knows Arun also. They can
Yeah,
coordinate even if they're not coming to the university. They can
ஆமா.
coordinate, and she is good in all those things. If you
Yeah,
tell, she will do it at from home also. She will
correct.
coordinate with me also, ma'am.
Okay, so இது வந்து இப்போ நான் அருண் கிட்ட நான் இதை சொல்லிட்டு
Yes,
இதை
ma'am.
வந்து உடனே பண்ணி ஆகணும்.
Because I'm concerned whenever I open the IIC portal, I'm not able to get it, ma'am.
ஆமா ஆமா.
Only two reports they are showing it as submitted. But I
Yeah.
think so many programs you have done.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
I think that's a very good point. So first time மாத்திரம் let Arun be involved. அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்து I think நீங்களே with Aparna and Yogesh
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can
Yes, ma'am.
handle this. Okay, நான் இப்போ அவர்கிட்ட நான் சொல்லிடுறேன்.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can go ahead with your
Yeah.
reports, ma'am.
Okay. So I would actually like everybody's views on this. So as discussed in the patenting and NISP related commercialization policies we had a meeting on 23rd of January. So this was the patent cell committee which consists of Dr. Natarajan from ARI, Dr. Rajalakshmi representing the medicine and allied sciences, Anandi, Arun Kumar and myself, of which Anandi could not attend. So the meeting outcome, I think it is very almost everybody knows that we have to spend close to 1,40,000 rupees for an institute to file a claim, file a patent, and that is in different stages. So first our idea stage la apply panina kuda examination kaha again we have to apply. So at present we have about 50 applications
Ma'am,
after
your voice is very
2017.
feeble, ma'am.
அப்படியா? Is it better now? Is it better?
இப்போ
Hello.
ஓகே. எஸ் மேம்.
வந்து அந்த 50 பப்ளிக் இதுவும் வந்து அப்ளிகேஷன் வந்து எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்காக எழுதலான்னு பிரசிடென்ட் செட் வை இப்போ நம்ம அவ்வளோ செலவழிக்கிறோம்னாக்கா வி ஷுட் ஹாவ் சம் கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் தட் த பர்சன் ஹூ இஸ் ரிட்டன் திஸ் அவங்க வந்து நம்ம யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் இருக்காங்க, தெர் இஸ் அ பாசிபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் கமர்ஷியலைசேஷன், அதெல்லாம் இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம திரும்ப அப்ளை இதை வந்து எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்கு பே பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னாரு. ஸோ அது நம்ம பார்த்ததில் இந்த டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணினதில் நாங்களே இந்த 50 பேட்டன்ஸை ஸ்க்ரீன் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம். But what we felt was we should send a Google form to all the people in our university asking them அவங்களுடைய வியூவில் are they ready to take the next step for commercialization. Commercializationனாக்கா the person who is invented, he should be able to have the prototype in hand. He has to go and approach the company and talk to them. So அந்த requirements எல்லாம் இருக்கு. பேட்டன்ட் அவார்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அப்ளை பண்ணின உடனே கூட பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ வி தாட் வி டிஸ்கஸ்ட் அண்ட் we've created a Google form to get a response from the faculty. இப்போ 50 பப்ளிகேஷனும் நம்ம ஒரேடியாக எடுக்க முடியாது. ஒரு 10 பேட்டன்ஸை எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கு கமர்ஷியலைசேஷனுக்கு போகலாம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சஜஷன் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ வாட் டு யூ பீப்புள் திங்க்? அப்படி பண்ணலாமா? Can we share a Google form asking each faculty who has applied for a patent, either by themselves or in the name of the university, their willingness to work towards commercialization, and then from the response of the faculty we can shortlist 10 which we can take up for examination. இது வரைக்கும் ஒரே ஒரு பேட்டன்ட் தான் எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்காக நம்ம பே பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஒன்றா 2 பேப்பர், ஒன்று வந்து டாக்டர் நட்ராஜனோடது, ஒன்று டாக்டர் ராஜலட்சுமியுடையது. இது 2 தான் நம்ம வந்து எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்கு பே பண்ணியிருக்கோம், மற்றதெல்லாம் பே பண்ணலை. ஸோ இது நம்ம ஸ்க்ரீன் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா கேன் வி ஷார்ட் லிஸ்ட் 10. ஸோ எனி சஜஷன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் பீப்புள்?
திஸ் இஸ் a good idea மேம்.
ஸோ வந்து நான் இந்த கூகுள் ஃபார்மை ரெடி பண்ணிவிட்டு ஐ வில் சென்ட் இட் டு த ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரார் அண்ட் ஆஸ்க் them to send it across. ஸோ இந்த இதில் வந்து அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் we have only the list of patents filed under Dr. NGR Educational Research Institute. There might be other faculty of NGR who might have some good patents. Avanga kuda if they want to work with NGR to get some help on commercialization, that also could be considered, but adu vandu we will take it on a case to case basis. So idha vandu naanga decide pannino 23rd meeting la. Na inniki vandu I will write to register for this with this Google form. So in the mail எல்லாருக்கும் போனோடனே I would request each of you to talk to your department telling them this mail has been sent and to explain and ask people to respond to this. Though I mean I'm sure all of you must be knowing the faculty in your department who has a patent. So நீங்கெல்லாம் help பண்ணினாதான் we will get some good responses. Okay Subha ma'am, next agenda point போலாம் நீங்க.
Yes ma'am. Okay ma'am, so anybody would like to comment on this or shall we move on? Sir Arunachalam sir?
No, nothing ma'am.
Okay. So ma'am has given a briefing on the IPR subcommittee meeting. Ma'am, I think Dr. Rama is not there. So I think she also had a meeting with Rama ma'am, myself and Dr. Arun Kumar, and the E-cell has been initiated. Am I right ma'am?
I think only Tripoli Rama has to tell us what is happening.
Yeah, I think she has not joined ma'am.
Maybe somebody should call her.
Then we have the Arun Kumar is also not there, so we leave the second one ma'am, the pre-qualification data for ARIA.
I will ask him to join because he needs to give this information.
Okay ma'am. So the third agenda now, in this meeting we are deciding that whatever minutes of the meeting that is held, the minutes in the prescribed format should reach me probably within 2 days of the conduct of the meeting, and also the same is applicable for the events that are organized. And I think you are familiar with what are all the documents that need to be submitted. We need to have the invite or the poster, and then we need to have a good photograph and report with good photograph, and then the social media pages where and all it has been shared. So as and when the event are completed, see that the respective department members of IIC, you are forwarding all to me, so that it will be uploaded on time in the IIC portal. And regarding the conference, ma'am, we are yet to receive the blueprint, Dr. Arunachalam and Dr. Kausalya. Would you like to elaborate on it, please?
Yeah. So let me share my screen, ma'am. One second. So is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. So I mean, as call for paper is activity of IAC, so we have been assigned this task of conducting this conference. So I mean, the title of the conference goes like this: MGR IAC International Conference on Social Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So I think if you have any suggestions on this, we can just change the title. So this is what I've just given a title for this. So this conference is going to be a virtual
See your
conference.
screen, one second. Oh,
Yeah,
presentation. Here.
yeah.
You have to
Screen.
select the other one, ma'am. Other is idea.
Okay, வந்துடுத்து. Thanks.
So is it
NTR
visible, ma'am?
IICங்கிறது அங்க இருக்கணுமா title of the conference?
I've just given, but your suggestion is welcome, ma'am. If you want, we can just remove that also.
Social innovation and entrepreneurship is the topic that you want to give us. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
அதில் வந்து will we have enough people to write papers? It's a good idea. பட் வந்து சோஷியல் இனோவேஷன் ஒரு வேர்டு வருமா? இனோவேஷன் இன் சோஷியல் ஆண்டர்பிரினியர்ஷிப்னு போடணும்ல?
இல்லை, இந்த மாதிரி already there are some international conferences which has already been held, ma'am, earlier.
இல்ல சோஷியல் இனோவேஷன்ங்கிறது கொஞ்சம் வேகா.
Or maybe we can just fix with the innovation and entrepreneurship.
இல்ல இனோவேஷன் இன் சோஷியல் ஆண்டர்பிரினியர்ஷிப்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். அப்போ வந்து சோஷியல் ஆண்டர்பிரினியர்ஷிப்னா வாட் யூ மீன் இஸ் கம்யூனிட்டி ரிலேட்டட் programs, events, is that what you have in mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Appo I think we should make it innovation in social entrepreneurship nu vechittu let's call some social entrepreneurs la koopte andha mari or event vekkalaam. That's a very good idea. adula vandu நம்ம paper presentation la kuda call pannalam. Good idea adu. Title matram maathirunga.
Sure. Innovation and social entrepreneurship. Okay, ma'am. So I'll just change it.
அது வந்து இந்த MGR IIC அதெல்லாத்தையும்
அதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடலாம். Sure.
நம்ம organized by the MGR IIC or Institute Innovation Council of MGR.
So that that I can put, ma'am. So I'll just change the title. And the date of conference what we have planned is actually April 7th and 8th. So the reason why we have chosen 2 dates is because if we have I think Kausalya ma'am will explain. She's going to bring speakers from abroad. So we might be having 3 or 4 speakers. So that itself will take the first day. And then depending on the papers, we can put the sessions and then we can continue it on the next day also.
Yeah, good idea.
So that's why we just planned for 2 days, 7th and 8th.
நம்ம வந்து I think வந்து இந்த கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் டாபிக் வச்சு ஒரு சின்ன ரைட் அப் ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ் இதுல நம்ம அப்புறம் வந்து அட்லீஸ்ட் நம்ம சைட்ல இருந்து ஒரு 2-3 ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் நம்ம லோக்கல் ஆண்டர்பிரினியர்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி வச்சு நம்ம கால் பண்ணிட்டு இந்த பேக்ரவுண்ட வச்சுட்டு I think we need to write to couple of institutes for speakers. So adu vandu I think once we have that, then Kaushalya can go ahead and get speakers for us. Ella Kaushalya?
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. There was a network issue. That's the reason it takes time for me to join. Ma'am, we are trying for the speakers in UK, Malaysia, and Taiwan, and all as well as US also. Let's see, ma'am, whichever speakers, we are very particular on the theme, as Arunachalam sir said, on the innovation and entrepreneurship.
And the theme we are clarify panni, let's give you a write up. Appo it will be
please,
easier
ma'am,
for you to pick up.
Please, madam, if you are giving that, it will be very much helpful.
Asia focus pannalam, Malaysia, Taiwan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But I have focused on all these countries, ma'am, and I have spoke to the speakers. If any problem na, ma'am, the innovation, if core areas na, they are ready to come now. What happened in the topicsன்றதுனால they are referring their friends அந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டு இருக்கு இப்ப.
இட்ஸ்
So
ஓகே.
I told Arunachala.
இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்ல இருந்து கூட வேண்டாம், வெளியில இருந்து ஒரு சோஷியல் ஆண்டர்பிரினியரை கூட நம்ம கூப்பிடலாம்.
சரிங்க மேம். பட் யூ ஆர் லுக்கிங் ஃபார் அப்ராட் இல்ல மேம்?
டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கும்ல மத்த எல்லாம் பண்றதை விட.
Okay.
Good.
Because if we have Kausalya ma'am,
ஒரு important call ஒன்னு வந்திருக்கு. Just continue. I just take this call.
So Kausalya ma'am, if we have a speaker from abroad, we can convert this conference as an international conference. So that's the reason it will have more value.
Okay. ஓகே சார். சார் இது எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு அருணாச்சலம் சார். சார் இப்ப மேம் சொல்றது இப்ப வந்து நேஷனல் அண்ட் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றாங்க, கரெக்ட்டா சார்?
Yes. Okay, I think I mean first focus is mainly towards international speakers, and also we can have national level speakers also.
Sir, within 1 or 2 days I'll get you the complete list, sir. As usual I'll do it, sir.
Sure.
Okay, need not worry about the speakers, sir. But the only thing is about the topic.
Okay.
If you are asking about the core areas, they are really accepting because of this innovation in entrepreneurship. ரொம்ப யோசிக்கிறாங்க.
Okay.
That is the reason. What எனக்கு நிறைய இப்ப மெயில்ஸ் வந்து அதுதான் வருது. மேம் எங்களோட டீம்ல சொல்லுங்க, we are ready to accept on the same dateன்றாங்க. சோ அவங்களால வேற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு தான் இப்ப அக்செப்ட் ஆனவங்கள வேற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
அதாவது இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's like a general thing. I mean, if it's a domain specific na, you will have a lot of people. No, if you want to talk about technology,
so but we need not worry, sir. Definitely we'll be getting within 1 or 2 days. Within next Wednesday we நம்ம ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஏன்னா அந்த அளவுக்கு we have reached almost all the countries and the speakers and the universities.
Okay.
Within 1 or 2 days I'll send you all the details, sir.
Sure,
so that you can frame it. Okay, sir?
Yeah, sure.
So in fact நம்ம entrepreneurship cell of each university நம்ம டார்கெட் பண்ணி வேணும்னா வந்து அந்த கேம்பஸ் கம்பெனிஸ் இருப்பாங்கல்ல, அவங்கள கூட பேச சொல்லலாம். ஆக்சுவலி நம்ம சோஷியல் entrepreneurship தான் பேசணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லைன்னா campus companies எடுத்தா why don't we look at campus companies?
Okay.
Or இன்னும் இந்த entrepreneurship cell coordinator கண்டிப்பா எல்லா யூனிவர்சிட்டிலயும் இருப்பாங்க. அவங்கள வந்து அவங்களுடைய entrepreneurial environment in their campus அப்படின்னு தான கொடுத்தா என்ன?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, we can try, ma'am. It's a nice suggestion, ma'am. We can try. Definitely we can make a try.
Thinking வந்து இப்போ நம்ம டைரக்டா we will not be able to reach out to social entrepreneurs, but வந்து campus entrepreneurs நம்ம வந்து reach out பண்ணலாம்.
Okay.
So அது கொஞ்சம் நீங்க மாடிஃபை பண்ணி நீங்க அருணாச்சலம் சார்,
yes ma'am.
நீங்க இப்போ அந்த ஒரு சின்ன அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் ஒன்னு எழுதுங்க. Objectives.
Okay.
இப்போ நம்ம கிட்டயே வந்து 2-3 கேம்பஸ் entrepreneurs இருக்காங்க.
Okay.
அவங்க 2 ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் நீங்க போட்டுக்கலாம். சோ ஒரு ரைட் அப், அதுல வந்து ரைட் அப்ல ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ்.
Okay.
இதுல இருந்து என்ன அவுட்கம் எதிர்பார்க்கறீங்க நீங்க?
Okay.
அப்படின்னு நீங்க ஒரு ரைட் அப் பண்ணினீங்கன்னா then I think it becomes easier to get speakers.
Okay ma'am, sure. So that I will
so maybe நீங்க ஒரு next week Monday குள்ள நீங்க ரெடி பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா we can all work on that.
Sure ma'am. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. You can do it.
So this is the date we have actually we have scheduled, and organizers, I think the Phase 2 campus in collaboration with International Relations will take care of this particular event. And aim of this conference, this is general aim which I have given. I mean,
ரொம்ப வேகா இருக்கு, இத கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம்.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we can just change this more specific to this particular thing. And these are some of the subtopics I've just taken. Social entrepreneurship.
It might still be effective. In the campus entrepreneurs ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு டாபிக் கொடுத்து பேச சொல்லலாம்.
Okay, இல்ல இப்ப நம்ம call for papers வாங்கும்போது we have to give certain topics where we are looking at. So இதெல்லாம் some of the topics which I have taken: social entrepreneurship, research challenges in social entrepreneurship, and technological innovation to bridge rural urban divides. These are some of the topics which I have taken.
ரொம்ப too many இருக்கு. நீங்க
Okay, we can just limit them. We can
எல்லா ஃபீல்ட்லயும் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு பேப்பர் வந்ததுன்னா பரவாயில்லை. anyway I think it is okay. Papers we can generally too many things is no problem, sir.
Okay ma'am, so we can limit this, no problem. We can just take the important
sure வெச்சிக்க கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Sure, we can just limit this ma'am. We can take important things and we can frame it accordingly. So these are the topics which I have taken. And this is actually the tentative date we have decided. I mean, the first call for poster we have to release. and then abstract submission, acceptance notification, and full paper submission and
Okay.
registration. So this is how things are going to be. And these are the things which needs to be done. Identifying the speakers, I think that's, I think Kausalya ma'am will take care of that. And then once it's been finalized, we can do the poster and then we can release it off. And then here we have to bring in some publication support, ma'am, since because we are conducting a conference. I think there should be some publication support which should be tied up here. And then we have to take care of the promotions. And then apart from that, the charges, for the conference paper registration, that we have to decide, ma'am, how we are going to do. So I need your suggestions on this.
Yeah, so do we and I think we have to look at the cost that will be involved in this.
Yes, ma'am.
In the Mari program pananona, we'll have to charge. Ipo in the Mari conference kala evlo charge pandranga usually.
Since because it's a virtual conference, I think normally they charge less, ma'am. Suppose if it's an offline conference, means there is a lot of cost involved. We have to give some conference kit and printed proceedings and all these things. But since it's because of the virtual conference, normally people charge only less. So that factor we have to see. So we can fix up a nominal charge, ma'am.
Yeah.
So this we have to decide on that, and then how to make the payment and all those things we have to decide.
Yeah. I think the first step we need to fine tune the title and other things.
Yes, ma'am.
So ninga Monday nama
sure.
committee nama meet pannena finalize.
Sure. So all these things we can just decide.
I think apart from you, Kaushalya, unga team la yaar irukanga parunga. I think somebody from the IIC team, Subhashri, can suggest.
Because we both are only there, ma'am. So if I have 1 or 2 people extra, I think it should be good.
Yeah, so talk to Subhashri, innu yara add pannalam appadinathu.
Okay, ma'am.
I think you need a wider team. Okay, good. I'm glad I've seen you.
Okay, ma'am. So that's it.
The topic konjam clarity 2-3 topic paathitu nama decide pannanom.
Sure. We can decide, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you, sir. So regarding the staff who will be working with Dr. Arunachalam and Dr. Kausalya, I think we can discuss, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because it's too early to ask whether who is willing or who will be doing. Probably we can just think over and we can form probably a committee or something like that. Okay, ma'am. So I think Dr. Arun has joined.
Yeah, so let him brief his points.
Sir, Arun Kumar, sir.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Sir, this is regarding the upload in the website of IAC portal.
Okay.
So actually, I suggested that one member from first year BTech can be inducted in the IAC committee, so that that person will be helping you in the uploading. Because when I open the portal and see only 2 shows me that it is submitted, and we have to be very prompt in uploading, sir, because they are giving the deadline. So as soon as the event is over,
who is in charge, ma'am, for uploading it? You said.
Yeah, right now we have discussed that Saparna from first year, she will be.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think I'll ask her to coordinate with you.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Sure.
whatever events for Q1 and Q2 is completed, and
Yes,
we can.
for the first priority, we will just complete the MIC-driven activity like Kapila program. We do generated certificates, ma'am.
And also, I want you to tell me about this. This is a meeting, right, sir? Mandatory meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a queue meeting. When I open, I am not able to see whether same documents that are required for the event is required, because even the meeting should be publicized using social media one and theriyala. On the point on the please, I need your clarification, sir. Because the first meeting it was neither recorded, no photo, nothing was happening. So now I am recording it. Is there a special procedure for uploading such mandatory review meetings?
Ma'am, I think, the meeting also should be recorded and it should be in the social media and other things.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Because they have given the link for that too, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, in that case, we can show this meeting, right, ma'am? The previous one is not recorded and we have not done. So, this meeting, we can take it as a review meeting, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And Arun sir, I've also informed that as and when any meeting is happening
Yeah.
with IAC members and committee,
Yes,
they have
ma'am.
to provide a MOM, sir, to us. And
Oh, okay.
as and when the event is completed, all the documents that are required for an event should be forwarded to me. Right
Yes.
now, everything should be forwarded to me within 2 days of the meeting or event. So this is what we have just given.
Okay.
So now
Ma'am,
you
did
can elaborate.
KT sir send you the report, ma'am, that we are conducting?
Pardon, sir?
We have conducted 2 events in dental, ma'am.
No, sir. No, sir. I didn't get anything.
Okay, okay. Then I'll pass a message.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. I have the
Yeah,
report.
one more
Everything is
thing.
ready.
Who will be
Hello?
uploading, sir? That is only one in charge, or the member of each and every department will be having the rights to upload, sir?
No, ma'am. I think the one in charge has to upload it, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay. In that case, they have to send us the report so that we will upload.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kirti, sir, now
Ma'am,
you
I
can.
have the reports ready for, yeah, ma'am. I have the reports ready for both the events which was conducted. So I can forward it to whomever. If you to clarify me to whom I should forward, I can forward it, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right now, you can just forward it to myself and Dr. Arun, because the time is. Sir, Arun,
Okay.
sir, is it okay?
Okay,
So I
ma'am.
will ask Aparna after the meeting. I will ask her to coordinate with you.
Okay.
So that by maybe Sunday or Monday we can complete it, sir. So, sir, you can forward to me and Dr. Arun, sir. You can also share the.
Okay.
I've shared the email, so you can share it to me. Sir, Arun, sir, anything else would you like to mention here, sir,
Yes.
regarding the or anything?
So, sorry to join late to this meeting. I just want to convey, we just want to convey that we have been participating in ARIA ranking. And in the very beginning, we got in among top 100 institutions. And now we are in top 25 institutions. I hope like this year, we have a lot of troubleshooting, like, students outside external events and other thing, nothing is happening, everything is happened online, but still we do have event participation details related to innovation, entrepreneurship and IPR for both faculties and students. The event details, whenever I'm asking in either in WhatsApp and in mail, please kindly do response to the mail, that whatever the details I'm asking, because from Monday onwards we are we're going to start filling the ARIA portal, so Atal ranking for institutions on innovation achievements. So then and there we'll be asking the details about the events you participated, and then startup companies, and then about the credit details, about the IPR courses and innovation related courses, all the details, like you just provide the random details that you've been acquired from the respective department and faculty streams. Then we will consolidate, and we will, if any queries, then we will be interacting with you. So that's a kind help that I need from all the faculties over here. So I think that's it now.
Okay, thanks, Arun. I know that
Yes.
you're extremely busy with the NAC preparation, but I
Yes.
think this uploading data for this IIC is also extremely important. So you need to do a little bit of hand holding.
Yes, ma'am.
The ma'am's team. So tomorrow, I think we need to upload a couple of things. No, I think Yogesh, will he be able to help?
Yogesh.
He helped Bhuvna last time.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I think for tomorrow's work, we can ask the help of Yogesh.
Yeah, so
Yes, ma'am.
I think நாளைக்கு இது கொஞ்சம் நம்ம பண்ணி ஆகணும் reporting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, thank you, Arun, sir,
Yes,
for joining up our busy schedule.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, the next agenda is regarding queries raised on New Jera EDC funding. And I think I had few representation also. One is from the hotel management. They have requested us to do one program on innovation and entrepreneurship for their students, ma'am. They want it to be scheduled in February month. So I think we can go ahead.
Yeah.
And from the same department and from Dr. Kirti, we had some representation regarding the new Gen IEDC funding. I would like Mr. Rizwan to elaborate on it. Is there any vacancy or anything, the procedures, please?
Yes, ma'am. In this year, we have 20 projects actually in total. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. In this year, we have 20 projects in total. No? So, in 20 projects, we currently 18 teams have been filled. Only 2 teams has to be filled.
Okay.
So, still we have slots.
Yeah. So I think the two
But the thing is,
departments.
a student has to act early as possible. They have to join. They have to submit their ideas before Feb 15. Because
Okay,
already we are running some session for the teams who are already got selected.
Okay. Okay, I think this information can be shared with the students, and you can ask them to immediately respond if they have any ideas. I think Mr. Kasturi Rangan, he's there. Sir, you are here. Sir, I think you asked regarding.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. And
Yeah. So please instruct the students
yes, ma'am.
to apply, sir, immediately for the new Gen IEDC project funding.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to talk to Mr. Prabhu, sir, before reaching Mr. Rizwan,
Okay.
and I will do this before this evening, ma'am.
Yeah. And also, you have any convenient date, sir, date and timing, or can we fix our own date for the program for your students?
Your
In
own date,
February?
ma'am. Any date in February is fine.
Okay, ma'am. So in that case, we can finalize the date and we can inform them, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Okay.
has anybody joined from architecture?
Yes, ma'am. This is Vidya here, ma'am.
Yeah. So Vidya, I had a discussion with Shweta, ma'am. We want to do a series of events
Okay.
for your department also. We did one with Dental College.
Okay, ma'am.
Two workshops and then ideathon competition for students.
Okay.
So we want you to facilitate that.
Okay, ma'am. I'll speak to her and maybe I'll try to organize it.
Yeah. So she said first week of February is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So please give a date and you have to find out Dr. Subhashri and Arun's availability. They'll be doing a workshop.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Rizwan will organize the ideathon for students.
Fine, ma'am. Fine. I'll just get back to you after speaking with her, ma'am.
Yeah. Please interact with Dr. Subhashri.
Okay, ma'am. Done. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and regarding the entrepreneurship cell, E-cell for the first year BTech also, I request Rizwan to start. Yeah. So we can have an orientation, ma'am, orientation session, and then we can open the membership for E-cell.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably some promo we can do and we can familiarize it. Ma'am, and I would like to also state that here we have started the online classes for entrepreneurship and project lab also, ma'am.
Oh, very nice.
Actually, as per President Day, he told all the labs can be offline, but we have created the videos, we have created the content, and we have created the assessment. And the second week we are doing for entrepreneurship orientation.
Very good.
And we are also planning to do the project lab virtually. I don't know how far it is going to be successful. And the certificate course on project-based learning also is started, ma'am. They are in the second this one. So once they complete that, they can be given some small project on app development. So that I just want to record the information here. So if we start the E-cell in February, I think we can get good number of students.
Okay, sure.
So we can plan it for first year BTech Rizwan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so as per the agenda, all have been discussed, ma'am. If anybody
So
else
I
need
think
to,
the Triple E Rama has not attended, so we
yes,
don't know whether there's any progress there. She said their students applied for a toy-a-thon event.
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
That was the only thing இல்ல மற்றபடி அது அருணாச்சலம் சார் உங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யாராவது அதெல்லாம் காம்படிஷன்ல பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணினாங்களா? அருணாச்சலம் சார் ஹெச்என்எஸ்ல இருந்து எனி பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்? Okay, then there is one more thing that I wanted to share. I thought the fashion technology, culinary arts, they might be interested. இப்போ கவர்மெண்ட்ல வந்து there is a new policy with SIDBI இருந்து they are ready to release funds up to 10 lakhs for women entrepreneurs, and they are right now organizing webinars organized by SIDBI with different NGOs. So there is a Confederation of Women Entrepreneurs Tamil Nadu chapter in which I am a member. So அதில் வந்து they want to organize a event. So இதில் funding வந்து it comes under various ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் கம்பெனி ஐடியாஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு தான் அவங்க வந்து ஃபண்ட்ஸ் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. தே ஆர் லுக்கிங் ஃபார் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ நம்ம வந்து ப்ராஸ்பெக்டிவ் விமன் ஆண்டர்பிரினியர்ஸ் ஒரு 10 people ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணினா கூட நல்லாயிருக்கும். ஸோ இது நான் ஐ வில் ஷேர் த டீட்டெயில்ஸ். இந்த விமன் ஆண்டர்பிரினியர்ஸ்னாக்கா வந்து சர்வீசஸ் அந்த மாதிரினா வந்து ஃபேஷன் டெக்னாலஜில யாரும் வந்திருக்கீங்களா? நந்தினி குட்டி மேம்.
she is there, ma'am.
Nandini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she's there.
You were
Yes, ma'am.
earlier, you wanted some entrepreneurial ideas for your students.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So in the event வந்து it is funded by SIDBI. They will give talks on what kind of projects can be done. இதுக்கு எவ்வளவு பணம் வேணும், எவ்வளவு how much money they will get, and the government has funding, and this is only for new entrepreneurs, not for existing entrepreneurs. So this is a good possibility.
Okay, ma'am.
I will share this detail. I think February 19th தான் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வெபினார் நினைக்கிறேன். நான் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன் தமிழ்நாடுல என்னைக்குன்னுட்டு. think you can
Okay.
get your students and so share more details on this. என்னோட போஸ்டர் இருக்கு என்கிட்ட அது.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so information நமக்கு தெரியாதது வந்து faculty engineering and technology second to final year அவங்க ஈசல் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு தெரியல.
Yes, ma'am.
ஈசல் inaugural events எல்லாம் நீங்க ஒரு மாதிரி அத பத்தி எல்லாம் வெச்சிட்டீங்க. I know you had a very good speaker event. I think full marks to dental college and first year. And Arunachalam sir also for completing the work assigned to him. Arunachalam sir and Kaushalya, excellent. And my education department they organize the NISP talk. Very good. Really appreciate the efforts you've taken. So next month, February 11th, we are targeting one event in architecture, one event for hotel management, and then we'll finalize the conference.
Yes, ma'am.
வேற எதனா டார்கெட்ஸ் இருக்கா சுபஸ்ரீ மேம்?
Yes, ma'am. First year ESL, ma'am.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் ESL 4th and வந்து அதுக்குள்ள நீங்க இன்னைக்கு நாளைக்கே நீங்க வந்து you will solve the issues on some of the issues on uploading.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That we'll do it, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will also join hands with Rama ma'am for appreciating all the staff, those who completed the task assigned to them. Ma'am, I just want to pinpoint one.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it is right or wrong here, but still, when we have assigned some members in the IIC committee, representing each and every faculty or department or campus, but there are still, this is the second meeting I'm conducting, but still there are few members who are not turning up for the meeting.
Yeah.
what should be done,
I
ma'am?
think we need to take some steps. அதெல்லாம் யாருன்னு பார்த்துட்டு I think we need to talk to that HOD and tell
Yeah.
that information is not going through. Please assign somebody who is less busy. Maybe they are extremely busy. அதனால தான் அவங்கனால வர முடியல. இன்னொருத்தர் யாரையானோ
No, I think we are all extremely busy, ma'am. With NAC and NARF and so many things are there. All are extremely busy only.
yeah
But still, at least that should be a some
correct
courtesy
commitment.
message given that due to this reason or something. I don't know whether they are in the group. And one more clarification: Vidya, ma'am, is from which department, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm from
Architecture.
architecture, ma'am.
இன்னைக்கு தான் நான் வந்து I spoke to their HOD and asked her to
Okay. So in that case, she should be added in the member list, right,
yes,
ma'am?
yes ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
So Vidya ma'am, you are going to play a very important role.
Okay, ma'am.
Only if you take the information on the IIC to your students, they can apply for funding under IEDC and then go for competitions
Okay.
to represent
I've
India.
spoken to few master degree students and they are really interested in participating. So I can probably assure you for 2-3 projects from our end, ma'am. But regarding the bachelors, I'm still thinking of it. Only maybe after the workshop, they might get a clearer picture about
Yeah,
it.
sure, ma'am. Also, you can make a Pavan Pankaj speak during this time. So TMDC, they got some of the senior incubators to talk, and that has a good impact. Students are very comfortable talking to them, Ilya.
Yeah, sure. Kandipa, ma'am. I'll make an arrangement and get back to you. Yes.
Thank you, Vidya.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, one more thing regarding that entrepreneurship cell which needs to be established in phase 2 campus. I think Rizwan already prepared a poster and he sent me a link. And I've asked all the students to register. I think most of the students would have registered. So I request Rizwan to check that and give me an update on how many students department-wise has joined. Because I think all the department,
Yeah, I'm just sorting out what are the number of. We get a response in total from just only from phase 2 around 240, I guess.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. That's what the effort I have taken, ma'am.
240. I'm just sorting out because few are people who are repeatedly registering again and again. So we are sorting out everything and dividing into department also. So once done, I'll let you know.
Okay. So once we have finalized the list, I think we can have an online meeting with those students, and you can tell about the benefits and all those things.
Yeah.
And,
sure, sir.
And
we plan to have a session actually for the ESL student, like Photoshop session or
so something like we can have some kind of an inauguration, and then we can just go ahead.
Definitely. We will have a session.
Okay. Anything else to be discussed, Dr. Subhashri?
Ma'am, as per agenda, it's over, ma'am. If anybody else have any queries or any questions, they can put forth. Otherwise, we are done with it.
So IAPC has been coming in and going out.
Yeah.
So the internship, did we have an agenda point? Avanga last time dana ungalku role.
Actually, we have not assigned them any dates, ma'am. So I have not put in the agenda. I request the IAPC member. I don't know who's here, Dr. Balakrishnan or Mr. Jaishankar. If you are here, you can elaborate on any plans.
Yeah.
Ma'am, tell me, ma'am.
Regarding the internship and all, ma'am, last meeting we discussed, sir.
Okay. Ma'am, that is only I said, what is your acceptation level? Internship means already doing internship, ma'am. What are you looking at for startup company? As Sava ma'am said, startup company also we associate. You are doing that internship. Okay. Sir, in what way you?
Yeah, sir. Arya, we have to give some data about how many students are running in startups. Data,
sir. We can give it no problem at all. Most of our internship is given by startup only.
So I think இது வந்து நம்ம phase 2 campus அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து I think we need to maybe ஒரு சின்ன advertisement மாதிரி வந்து opportunities for internship in startups maybe promote பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I think those students will be interested in such opportunities.
You are referring about the first year, right, ma'am? First year.
இல்ல நான் வந்து phase 2
Second
அருணாச்சலம்
year.
சார்
Arunachal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
second year. Second year.
No. See, Arunachal CS department also be giving some internship. Students already going undergoing internship now from CS department also. Wherever it is feasible, Rico, நம்ம refer பண்றோம். Not only that, whether it is the first year இருக்கட்டும் இல்ல arts and science, humanities, wherever we getting the internship opportunity, we are giving it. Compulsory we need to give. Now we don't have such higher sources because the virtual app எல்லாம் பண்றாங்க தவிர they are not giving any permission for the offline. Only few companies are giving offline due to the COVID situation. Whatever tried to best, we are giving it. If you want to do compulsory, we need to cover all the students of the university. Now it's very difficult because there are some own criteria there. They should have a good like in their mark percentage should be scored in that academic. Adellame irukku. Adu filter panni we are doing it for CS also. Last time also done with CS BSc Computer Science.
Okay.
And still we rolled out. Still some of MNC companies also rolled out yesterday. The registration is under process.
Okay, very good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think there's a Kasturi Rangan sir is from hotel management.
Congratulations, sir. Kasturi Rangan sir, for your promotion as assistant professor.
So yeah, it's good to have 14 people. யாராவது பேசாதவங்க யாராவது இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்கள we can ask them to quickly give an update. Chemistry Ramapriya, Vignesh,
Radhalakshmi ma'am. Radhalakshmi
Vigneshwari in the department?
Education.
Education. Okay. So I think congratulations. நீங்க தான் வந்து first program organize பண்ணீங்க ஜனவரியில.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, and இப்போ கஸ்தூரி ரங்கன் will do something. Chemistry ராமபிரியா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க இப்போ ISC காக? Okay. So where யாராவது
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So what are you doing with your chemistry department for the IIC?
Ma'am, it's been informed to the department staff about the research works and to register for patent like that. So staffs have been working on it.
Should we do anything else with them?
Yeah, it's like what we have to do if it means transform or institute.
Maybe,
follow it, ma'am.
Maybe internship opportunities.
Sorry, ma'am?
No, like even Bala cannot do everything. If you can identify some startup companies in which your students can work, Bala can help you in fine tuning or giving you suggestions. Bala?
Okay.
Like chemistry, we should be able to get good opportunities. Internship, startup internship. Bala? Hello, Bala? Bala?
Hello.
I think in the meeting la வந்து நம்ம subsequently நம்ம ஒரு startup internship காக ஒரு meeting வைக்கலாம்.
Hello.
Bala sir.
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Chemistry எல்லாம் வந்து I thought வந்து ராமபிரியா மேம்ல very experienced people.
Okay ma'am.
நம்ம வந்து if we want இப்போ வந்து engineering CSE அவங்களுக்கு வந்து internship அது ஒரு type. இப்போ chemistry related companies நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சேனாக்கா அவங்க internship.
Ma'am, I'll explain it. Micro Lab னு ஒரு company அம்ச்சிருந்தேன் மேம். அம்பத்தூர்ல இருக்கு. It is related with the quality analysis.
Okay.
Quality of testing of water, testing of chemical produce in Ambattur Industrial Estate.
Okay.
Last time, if I want, I show the letter also. Some of the chemistry students already finished internship. BSc chemistry. அது இவங்களுக்கு எனக்கு ஒண்ணு சர்ப்ரைஸா இருக்கு. HODஸ்க்கு டேட்டா அனுப்புறோம், but in spite of that, they are thinking that no students are going out of it. We are starting complete database from 2015 to 19. When I taken the placement also, I given report from the last 5 years report to the Excel sheet. And similarly for internship also, we sent it from last 2016 to 20, including all the department. In that chemistry also we done placement and internship also.
இல்ல நான் வந்து நீங்க ரொம்ப நல்லா தான் பண்றீங்க, பட் ஐ தாட் வந்து அந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் if they can work with even more companies னு சொன்னேனா அத
அதான் என்னன்னா ஒரே ஒரு மேம் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பிஎஸ்சிக்கு ஒரு பொண்ணு வந்து ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்க பிஎஸ்சி பியூரோக்ரசி ஆஃப் இந்தியன் இது இருக்கு இல்லையா the testing of quality assuranceலாம் அதுக்கு வந்து we have taken one girl from I'm just giving some case study I'm not giving any justification for it அந்த பொண்ணு வந்துட்டு சார் எனக்கு வந்து 5000 internship பத்த மாட்டேங்குது I'll give the name also to you especially from BSc chemistry I want more than 10,000 sir because my transportation cost is occurred for this அப்படின்ட்டாங்க அதனால some of the students get out of it this communication has sent to that chemistry department HOD also
so I thought வந்து maybe ராமபிரியாவை நம்ம டைரக்டா இன்வால்வ் பண்ணி she can
பண்ணலாம் ராமபிரியா மேடம் இன்னொரு மேடம் இருக்காங்க கெமிஸ்ட்ரிக்கு யாரோ ஒருத்தங்க அவங்க இல்லையா
hello are you talking about Valliyamai
Valliyamai
she is a HOD of chemistry
we have been communicating to her only ma'am Valliyamai ma'am only we are communicating I first time hearing about Ramapriya madam
okay
so
I'm sorry HODs will be very busy for the
yeah
innovation councilங்கிறதுனால கொஞ்சம் நீங்க chemistry students கொஞ்சம்
பண்ணலாம்
upload பண்றதுக்கு Ramapriya ma'am you need to interact with all of these IAPC then
ma'am Ramapriya ma'am you have my number I think so you can just you have my email ID also if you need any support related with internship industrial connect you please send me the mail mark copy to that Rama ma'am and Sushma
Hello
yes ma'am
am I audible now
yeah you're better
yeah audible
ma'am regarding internship or BSc and MSc students are going but the numbers are very less actually
very less yeah I absolutely stand with your point very number is less but we are supporting that number is less because of some criteria ma'am we are looking for the non-arrear students and percentage from 10th standard almost 60%. These are some criteria there in that our students got filtered out automatically what she says correct
apart from through the institution they are trying to go personally we actually we want them to go as an interested candidates they want to go they want to volunteer themselves for internship
good
so as for volunteers the numbers is very less again and they look for the distances girls means they look for distances
distance girls they want constant they want near to their home they don't want to travel that is there not only chemistry in all the department what she says correct
yeah and the other factor is like the MSc is just been 2 years and out of 16 students 4 students have gone for internship about just a week like that and when we want to promote for this year also because of lockdown they could not enter into anything and the other factor is they are already part-time students are there so they are working in core companies and they don't want to enter into internship again
okay
they are working core companies itself as a part-time students so when we ask them to go for internship they don't want to because already they are engaged
okay
ma'am sorry for interrupting ma'am I have to go to the university so I'll be leaving from the meeting ma'am
okay yeah we'll be finishing
I'll get back to you ma'am
it's okay we'll be finishing now
yeah
yes ma'am thank you
so I think once the lockdown is over and when the industry is open up for students also to come and get inside we can have a tie up something with the industries and go for internship
but adukku munnadi Ramapriya I think you should think of doing some இப்போ வந்து இவர் சொன்னார் இல்ல ஏபிசில இருந்த பாலா வந்து அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து some problems வந்து உடனே கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குதுன்னா okay maybe you can plan to do a few programs
okay
and then because I know Bala does a lot of events and the training events alla writing a CV அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த how to face an interview இந்த நிறைய அவர் பண்றத நான் பாத்திருக்கேன் போஸ்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம்
okay
அவர்கிட்ட எல்லாமே இருக்கு நீங்க வந்து அவரை டேப் பண்ணி அவர்கிட்ட இருந்து you have to get resources and organize something for your students
okay I'll discuss with them ma'am then
yeah Bala sir நீங்க தானோ இந்த HNDS
இல்ல மேம் பண்ணலாம் கண்டிப்பா பண்ணலாம் மேம் we will do that no problem at all over not only chemistry department I just already sent a mail in a official mail and official MJ official group also if any events required from industry partner let me know I'm there to support
yeah
the topics of as ma'am said resume building soft skill training and confidence and how to overcome the interview hurdles something whatever topics we need to cover related with their performance in the interview we can able to do with the tie-up with industry that I can able to support it which I already informed 2 months before still if you need you can send mail to iapc@drmgr.du.ac.in so that we can plan accordingly
So Ramapriya ma'am, target
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least one program with the IAPC for your students.
Okay, ma'am.
இந்த பிப்ரவரிக்கு
Um,
ஒரு ஈவென்ட் நீங்க
sure, ma'am. I think we have a midterm test in the first week of February. So followed by that, after that ends up, we'll have one program, ma'am.
Yeah, so one program by IAPC, the resume building or career counseling.
Okay.
And one event I think Subhashri or Arun can do on, the sort of innovation skills which are important either in a job or as an entrepreneur. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு talk.
Sure, ma'am. So I have to discuss with Bala sir and go ahead, right, ma'am?
Bala sir and Subhashri ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So February கண்டிப்பா நீங்க ஒரு event ரெண்டு event பண்ணிடுங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Subhashri ma'am, anything
Okay,
else?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I think it's done for the day.
Yeah.
So I thank all of you amidst your busy schedule to come and attend the meeting. And I request all of you to please follow the deadlines and follow the minutes of the meeting, the action items, what we are sharing, so that it will be easy for us to proceed further and do all the uploading and all the other documentation on time. Since the NAC and so many inspections are there, IIC also plays a major role. So the documentation also need to be taken care of. Only that speaks. We are doing a lot of events, but everything should be projected in a proper manner. So that is what is very important. I request all of you to cooperate, and once again, I thank all of you for attending the meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kavita ma'am.